because I worked with a multi-specialty orthopedic group.
Now, how does somebody know when they, because there's a lot of money involved here. I know you're a very conscientious, ethical doctor, but there's a lot of money involved in the medical field. How does one know if they really need back surgery as opposed to other methods?
That's a very good question. Unfortunately, in the United States, back surgery is done twice the rate as in other countries. About 600,000 back surgeries have done a year. And what the truth of the matter is, if you have 100 people, only about 5 people out of that 100 really need back surgery, only about 5%. So what I tell people, if you give a person a hammer, what do they see? A nail.
Right.
So whereas people say, I don't want to go to a pain management doctor, what you want to go to a pain management doctor who not only does injections, but also does medication and does physical therapy and does the whole comprehensive care. Because if you go to a pain doctor that only does injections, and I do injections, they may just only give injections. And if you go to a surgeon, they're supposed to do the same thing that I do, non-surgical care first, and you should fail that first before you have surgery. So, but if you go to a pain doctor or someone who doesn't do surgery, then you are at least assured that other methods were tried before
Right.
you have surgery.
Yeah, because a
If you
surgeon will, I don't want to say cut to the chase, but they will, that's what they, that's what they're going to do. That's the hammer that they have.
That's the hammer they have. But we hope that there are some ethical ones. But you just want to tell them if you go that I'd like to pursue a non-surgical uh, procedure first, and then you can always have a second opinion. I tell people before you have any surgery, have a second opinion. When you buy a house, most of us don't look at one house. We look at several houses so that we get an idea of the market, so that we make an offer. We have an understanding of what kind of living room you get, what kind of family room you get for this price. And so it is. If you're going to